right? Okay, boys. So now today we are going to understand the another type of the can clearly understand this question. Okay. For example, here given that a group of a student was asked for their favorite subject. The result were as listed below. For example, I am asking to your class which subject is your favorite, right? Definitely, there are seven subjects only: math, science, social, English, Gujarati, Hindi, and Sanskrit. There are seven subjects, but there are 40 of students, and it means on an average for the six student, one subject become favorite, right? It means if I am asking to your class, what is your favorite subject or which subject is favorite for you, then your answer is definitely different. But this is a individual favorite subject. But if you want to collect this data in form of organization, so we have to put this all the individual data in a one table. How can we prepare table? Please see here. For example, it is given that for some student, art, mathematics, science, English, mathematics, art, English, mathematics, English, art, science, science, mathematics, art, English, art, science, mathematics, science, and art. Okay, here some data is given for which subject is favorite for the particular student. We are collecting this data. Now we have to uh, represent this data as one organization. Okay, and how can we do this? You can see here. First of all, we have to make tally marks. What is the meaning of tally marks? Tally marks is very simple in a concept. Please see here in the live board, and then after we will complete this example. For example, here given that there are many subjects. For example, art, maths, science, English, arts, maths, science, English, art, maths, English, science, art, maths, English, science, etc. Now we have to convert this all the data in form of organization. And how can we convert? Please see here. First of all, we have to prepare one table in which we are putting three columns. The first column for the name of subject. Okay, then we prepare tally marks. And then we count the tally marks number of frequency. It is known as frequency. Okay, now please see here. For example, first of all, we are counting arts. So it means we are writing here arts, maths, science, and English. There are four subjects here. Now for arts, we are counting here. Please see carefully. First of all, one arts, so we are putting one vertical line. And then again two arts, it means arts. Then again one art, putting also one art. And then after we get fifth art. So it means we have to cross this four line and it is known as tally marks. Okay, boys? Then we are counting mathematics. 1 maths, 2 maths, 3, 4. So we are putting 4 vertical line for maths. Okay. Then science 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 signs. Then we are putting for English 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth line we have to draw as cross line. Right now we have to count this. So for art there are 5 students. It is known as frequency. For maths there are 4 students. For science there are 4 students. And for English there are 5 students. Are you understanding this, boys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is very simple. First of all, we have to make tally marks, and then after we have to draw a number. We have to
Yes,
count
sir.
this number of frequency. Okay. Now please see this page. Here some data is given about the favorite subject of all the table one. Any marks and number of students is frequency. Please see here. That a particular entry. What your class, right? You do very well. You all get some different marks. And if you want to collect this data as organizing data, first of all, we have to make group. Why we make a group? Please see here carefully. For example, I am taking the maths test of 50 marks. Okay. But the marks of the students are very different. And if you want to collect this data in form of group, first of all, I am making the group. How many groups are I am making? Please see here. First of all, I am preparing one table. Here I am writing group. Here tally marks. Then here number of students or frequency. Okay. Now I am making group. Total 50 marks exam I am taking. So I make 5 groups. First group for 0 to 10 marks. Second group for 10 to 20 marks. Third group for 20 to 30 marks. 30 to 40 marks. And 40 to 50 marks. Right? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. There are 5 different groups. Now, there are lots of students who are getting the marks less than 10. For example, there are 7 students whose marks is between 0 to 10. So I am draw here the vertical line 4 and one cross line. This 5 and this 2 means total frequency is 7. For example, I am asking you how many students are getting a marks between 10 to 20. So there are 13 students. So we are prepare a tally marks of 5 group. This 5 group Again, this 5 group 10 and this 13. So there are 13 students, right? Now 20 to 30. In 20 to 30, for example, there are 11 students. So we are preparing 11 telemarks. There is 5, 10 and 11. There is 11, right? Then 30 to 40. Between 30 to 40, there are 8 students. So we are preparing telemarks 8 students. 5 and 3, 8. And we are writing the frequency as 8. And between 40 to 50, for example, there are only 11 students. So we are preparing telemarks for 11 students. Are you get it? How can we divide a number in a group? It is known as grouped data. I hope you all are clearly understood this. Boys, boys,
Yes, sir.
are you get it?
Yes, sir.
How can we prepare this group? Now you can see this question in your textbook, so you can clearly understand about the obtaining mathematics by 60 students of a class. Class 23, 5, 37, 12, 25, 42, 15, etc. Now we have to convert this data in our grouped table. So first of all, we are making the group of 0 to 10. 1 minute, boys. Okay, now you can see 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And first of all, we are preparing our tally marks, and then after we are counting this tally marks and write down as frequency. Okay, so it is known as grouped data. Now, the one another type of representation of any data we have to check here. Please see bar with a difference. For example, in the previous page, we are preparing frequency table for the 60 students marks with the help of groupism. We are making 6 groups 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Now we have to convert this group into representation in a graph page. But how can we represent this data in a graph page? Please see. Yes, first of all, we are taking this example in a live board. Okay, see here. First of all, we are preparing a graph page with the help of these two axes. Okay, this x-axis is y-axis, right? And it is origin point. Now we have to put origin means 0, then 10, then 20, 30, 40, and 50. Please see here carefully. On the y-axis, we have to write down the frequency. For example, frequencies differ in our example. You can see 7, 13, 11, 8, 11. So it means I am writing here only one frequency. Please see here carefully. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then 10, 11, 12, and 13. Please see. Now, if you want to trace the difference in the group of 0 to 10, there are 7 points. So, representing this data between 0 to 10, please see here. Then after 10 to 20, the data, the frequency is 13. And what is the meaning of 13? Please see here. 13, it is the data between 10 to 20. And when it is 11, between 20 to 30, the data is given 11. Between 30 to 40, the data is given 8. And between 40 to 50, the data is given as 11. 11. Right? Now, what is the difference? Please see here. In this graph, you can observe one thing here. This all the graph, all you graph bar, double bar, all the, and if you represent the data of data as histogram, please remember this word. Again, I am telling you the definition of histogram. Please listen. If you represent any data with the help of group, and then we get all the bars as joined, it is known as histogram. Histogram is one type of representation of any data. It is different from bar graph. Because of in a bar graph, all the bars are separated. But here, all the bars are connected. All the bars to be joined. Are you get it? Now see in a textbook so you can clearly understand. Please is bar separated. Can you observe it? Boys, hello? Where are you, boys?
Yes, sir.
All the bars are separated, but in histogram, all the bars are joined. Okay? Uh, and please give Mohammedan. And if you have any doubts, then ask. This is not a lecture. Okay, it is to ask. It is known as histogram. Okay. These all parts are separate. Please see. Bar of 20, bar 19, bar. Boys, yes or no? Huh? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. Okay. Hello? Hello? Yasin, Saqib, Mohammad Raza, Mubin Khan, Mohammad Ali Khetani, Rehan, Abdullah, Asad, Ash. What are you doing? Why are you not giving me answer? Yeah. Boys,
Yes.
huh? Beta, if I prefer YouTube video link. It is two-way. What is two-way communication? If you have any doubt, you give and today we have different things. First of all, we understand step of how one see and we are how is different. We are now we excited to Taliban, Fitra, Agra, okay, beta. Please some question.
સર અવાજ કપાય છે.
Hello?
ના ઓકે સર.
Okay. બેટા આજે જેટલું કરાયું બધું તમને ક્લિયરલી સમજાઈ ગયું છે? કેમ કોઈ ડાઉટ નથી પૂછતું? વોટ ઇઝ ધ રીઝન? હા? હેલો?
Yes, sir.
બેટા કોઈ ડાઉટ?